Hi everyone! Today for Cook Along we're going to show you how to make fruit scones. There's lots of little helpful bits that your children can do, so take a look.
You will need self-raising flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, butter, caster sugar, milk and raisins. Put the flour, salt and baking powder into a mixing bowl. Cut the butter into small cubes using a knife and add it to the flour. Using your fingertips, rub the butter into the flour until it looks like small breadcrumbs. Add the sugar and mix it all together. Add the milk a little at a time whilst mixing to form a soft dough. Add the raisins and squidge together. Tip out onto a floured surface and flatten the dough to around 2 centimeters thick using a rolling pin. You can also use your hands. Cut out the scones using a cutter or the rim of a glass. Place onto a lined baking tray and brush each one with a little bit of milk. Bake in the oven for around 15 minutes at 180 degrees until they're golden.